The first question is petty offense is defined under which section? Option number A, section 40, option B, section 206, option C, section 204, and option D, not defined. Its right answer is option number B, section 206. Section 206 is titled as Special Summons in Cases of Petty Offense, which is the provision authorizing a district magistrate, subdivisional magistrate, or executive magistrate to issue orders in urgent cases of nuisance or apprehended danger. Option number A, section 173, option B, section 164, option C, section 133, or option D, section 144. Its right answer is option D, section 144. Section 144 is titled as Power to Issue Order in Urgent Cases of Nuisance or Apprehended Danger. The maximum amount of fine which can be specified in a summons issued under Section 206 CRPC is what amount? Option A 2500, option B 5000 rupees, section C 1000 rupees, or section D 2000 rupees. Its right answer is 1000 rupees. So option C is the right answer. And section 206, as we have seen in our first quiz, is titled as Special Summons in Cases of Petty Offense. The provisions of section 125, option A, repeal the personal laws, option B, override the personal law, option C, do not repeal the personal laws, or option D, do not override the personal law. Its right answer is option number B, override the personal law. It has been observed by the Supreme Court that Section 125 of CRPC overrides the personal law if there is any conflict between the two. If the complaint is not in writing and made to a magistrate who is not competent to take cognizance of the offence, the magistrate shall option A, go to police station, option B, ask the complainant to reduce the complaint to writing, option C, reject the complaint, or option D, direct the complainant to file it before the proper court. Its right answer is option number D, direct the complainant to file it before the proper court. For this, you can refer section 201 of CRPC. Section 201 is titled as Procedure by Magistrate that not competent to take cognizance of the case. And what is written inside it? The bare act is, if the complaint is made to a magistrate who is not competent to take cognizance of the offence, he shall, if the complaint is in writing, return it for presentation to the proper court with an endorsement to that effect. And clause B, if the complaint is not in writing, direct the complainant to the proper court. Petty offense under section 206 means offense punishable only with fine not exceeding option A 100 rupees, option B 500 rupees, option C 1000 rupees, or option D 215. Its right answer is option number C 1000 rupees. The person aggrieved by an offense of adultery, section 497 of Indian Penal Code, is option A, the husband of the woman, option B, both husband and wife, option C, the woman herself, and option D, none of these. Its right answer is option number A, the husband of the woman. For this, you have to refer section 198, subsection 2 of CRPC. Section 198 is titled as Prosecution for Offences Against Marriage. The provisions under Section 204 shall not be deemed to affect the provisions of Section Option A, Section 79, Option B, Section 61, Option C, Section 78, or Option D, Section 87. Its right answer is Option D, Section 87. For this, you have to refer Section 204, subsection 5. Section 204 is titled as Issue of Process, which is under Chapter 16, and Chapter 16 is Commencement of Proceedings before Magistrates. And Section 87, which is our right option and option number D, Section 87 is titled as Issue of Warrant in lieu of or in addition to summons. and it is under Chapter 6, which is titled as Processes to Compel Appearance. Under Section 174, the police shall give immediate information to whom? Option A, Judicial Magistrate, Option B, Sessions Judge, Option C, Executive Magistrate, and Option D, none of the above. Its right answer is Option C, Executive Magistrate. What is Section 174? Section 174 is police to inquire and report on suicide, etc. If the period of limitation expired on a day, the court is closed. The court may take cognizance. Option A, any subsequent day. Option B, on the day on which the court reopen. Option C, complaint shall be filed before the expiry. Or option D, none of the above. Its right answer is option number B, on the day on which the court reopen. For this, you have to refer section 471, which is titled as Exclusion of Date on which Court is Closed. And the bare act is where the period of limitation expires on a day when the court is closed, the court may take cognizance on the day on which the court reopens. And that was all for our today quiz. Thank you very much.